3.
Hello everyone, today I will talk about a special gift that I gave someone. That gift was for my math teacher, who I admire and consider as a second mother at school. She was born in September, but I had to think what gifts were from July. It coincided with my it coincided with my summer holiday in Sabah. I immediately went to shopping to look for some gift. When I reached there, unfortunately, when I reached there are variety of products and I don't know my teacher's hobby. Therefore, finding a suitable gift were a difficult challenge for me. After 2 days with careful consideration, I decided to buy a scarf made from brocade fabric. It is sophisticated and unique. I crushed on that at the first sight. I was satisfied with it because at least I had tried to find a meaningful gift for my beloved teacher. She seemed to love it very much. Thank you for listening.